I'm here today with an empties video. These are all products that I have used up. I'm gonna let you know if I loved them, hated them, repurchased them, what the dealio is. I have been doing empties for so long. So here's another empties. You guys seem to really love these. So let's get started. All right, I'm gonna start off with kind of like health thingies. These are things I've been taking every single day, 4 months, and I noticed a huge difference. The first, I've been using this for a few years, Sugar Bear hair gummies. I love these. It's what really helped with postpartum hair like regrowth. I have been taking these now for 2 years. I love them. They taste good, and I really do notice a difference. When I'm taking these, like my leg hair grows insane, so does the hair on my head. I need to buy more. I've been out for like a month, and I definitely notice a difference. Especially with my leg hair. I don't want to shave my legs as often, but it really does help the hair on my head grow faster too. So I love these. I've been using them now for about 2 years and I keep buying them. This was a targeted thing that I saw on TikTok, finally decided to buy it, and I'm a true believer of it. My husband and I take these greens every single day. This is not sponsored. I buy these with my own money. I have been taking these for several months and I've noticed a huge difference in bloating. I don't know what happened after I turned like 30, how old am I now? 37. So after I turned 36, really after I turned 35, my body completely changed. Like I was having bloating issues. I was gaining weight in areas that I've never gained weight before. And I've never been like a girl with tummy troubles. So anyways, I started having like some, bloating, tummy issues. The girls that have tummy issues know what I'm saying. And I tried a bunch of different stuff. Nothing was really working. So I decided to give these a try. They actually taste good. I'm really picky with greens. I have not found a flavor that I do not like yet. So I just mix these with water, drink them every morning. This one is the Kayali Strawberry Swirl. This one is the Tropical Splash. I do notice if I don't take these for several days, my brain fog does kind of come back again. That's something else I've been struggling with. So it's supposed to help with gut health, bloating, digestion, and immunity. And I notice a big difference. I'm a believer. I literally have these on auto ship now, and my husband and I take them every day. Another thing that we take every day that was also a TikTok targeted thing, again, not sponsored, buy these with my own money, is the Armra. These are also on like auto ship. This one is the acai berry. It's really yummy. Sometimes I'll take a packet of this and mix it with a scoop of the greens and just drink that. Sometimes I'll just do my greens on its own and this on my own. It really helps me get my water intake for the day too. So I love these. These are on auto ship and I continue. You'll see them in like every empties from here on out till the day I die, I'm sure. Okay, next is we'll do body care. Epsom salt. I love Epsom salt. These ones are the coconut ones. It makes your skin super, super soft. Like I really like those ones. I just get them, Target, Amazon, Walmart. This actually finished yesterday. This is the Kopari Coconut Hydrating Body Wash. I really like this. It makes your skin feel really nice and hydrated. Doesn't strip it or dry it out. I think they sent that to me, so I would definitely consider repurchasing it. I just have like so much body wash. I don't need any for a while. Vanilla Bean Noel, if you know, you know. And if you're an OG follower, you know that Vanilla Bean Noel is like my favorite. And I just like clearly really love it. Here's the body cream. I can only get it during Christmas time, but I love Vanilla Bean Noel. And then we have, one of my lights just went out. That was weird. This is a deodorant. This is the Gentleman's Blend. It has no aluminum in it, no parabens, no dyes. It's the Lavender Mint Scent. I really like this one. I'm an Old Spice girly, been using it for years. Next, I have this L'Oreal Elvive. This is the 8-Second Wonder. I actually use this in my daughter's hair. She has the most tangly hair ever. This is a dream. We use it every single shower. And I always tell her, like, we do spa in the bathtub. So it's like she'll lay back and I'll give her like a little head massage. And then we put this in at the very end and we, count to 10, even though it says 8. We just count to 10. And then we're like, okay, let's wash your tangles down the drain. And it literally like washes the tangles out of her hair. It's unbelievable. We always have that on backup on stock. I think the shampoo of this was in my last empties. I really like this bond strengthening line from L'Oreal. It smells amazing, and I don't know if it made my hair stronger, but it sure smells great and left my hair feeling really nice. This one I actually have already repurchased. It's the Briogeo Caffeine and Biotin Shampoo and Conditioner. I really like this. It smells amazing. It really suds up really nicely, and so it's supposed to do good things for your hair. We'll see. My hair is growing. Like my natural hair is now down to here, which if you guys know, like it was cut short. So we're in the process of regrowing. Then it's a 10. This is my favorite. I've been using this for like 15 years, maybe even longer. This one is the keratin one. I use this in my daughter's hair too. This is like the only detangler that works like in between her showers to keep her hair really nice and detangled, like I'll spray this in her dry hair and it will get the tangles out. This is probably my third one of these. I love this texturizing spray. It's the VICI Full Blown Texturizer. I get it off Amazon. I will continue to repurchase this. This is amazing. The Divi, these are like literally in every empties. I'm still using it. I don't use it as often as I did before. Like when I first started using it for probably the first like 8 months, I used it every single day. Now I just use it every shower day. So I use it maybe 2 or 3 times a week, but I love it and it doesn't make my hair oily. I used up a package of the e.l.f. complexion sponges. I love this. This has 3 different sponges. I really only use the big sponge for my face and then the concealer one, but it does come with 3. 2 of the 3 I use. All right, let's move to tanning products. This is the James Read Glow 20. This is a facial tanner. This is okay. I probably won't repurchase it. You cannot put makeup on over it. It does not work well for that. And I don't know, I couldn't put my skincare on with it. It gave me like a little bit of a glow, but not a super great one. And I found one I like better. The one that I like better, which I've already repurchased, is the Coco and Eve Sunny Honey. I just do my skincare and then I spray this before I go to bed. And this one really does make my chest tan. It makes my face tan. I love this. I've already repurchased it and it smells amazing. It does not smell like self-tanner. Found a new Holy Grail self-tanner. It is the Dulce Glow by Isabel Alyssa. And this is in medium dark. It's the mist. I've already repurchased it. It's so good. I mean, I feel like it made me pretty dang dark. I have not tanned my hands because they get really, really tan. So I was kind of waiting for that to wear off. But I just did 1 coat of this last night and I'm nice and tan. It's such a beautiful tanner. You don't smell like self-tanner. It's really good. I like it a lot. So I've already repurchased it. It's become my new favorite, like #1 self-tanner. Skincare. This is a Korean brand, I think. Yes. Firming Peptide Collagen All Day Toner. I really like this. I think I got this one at TJ Maxx actually. I'm really into like Korean skincare right now, so you'll see a lot of those coming up in upcoming empties. I loved this. I just put a little bit on my hands and then patted it into the skin. I'm obsessed. Paula's Choice 6% mandelic acid, 2% lactic acid, liquid exfoliant. I love Paula's Choice skincare, especially this and then the BHA one. It just makes my skin so glowy and untextured and amazing, and I love it. I will continue to repurchase those. This is a Dermatology SPF. I have to toss it because it expired November of 2023, but I already have this on backup. It's beautiful. It's tinted, super glowy, so you have to like a glowy sunscreen because it's glowy, but it's beautiful. The IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Rosy Tone. This was sent to me in PR a while ago. This is nice. It's not my favorite like moisturizer, but I used it up. It smells really nice. It smells like rose and it's very gentle for my skin. It keeps my skin really nice and hydrated, so it's nice, but I don't know that I'd go out and buy it. But I enjoyed it. This I also got targeted off TikTok. This is the Fix Filler Peptide Serum. I bought a 3-pack of them. I liked it, but it went so fast. It's only half an ounce and I feel like I blew through this. So I'll let you know when I finish up the other 2, like if I would repurchase it, because I don't really know. I just feel like it went really fast and I finished it a while ago, so I can't really remember. I think it was nice. I don't think it was like a alternative to filler or Botox or anything. I think that's kind of what it claims, but it was nice. 2 of these little sample size niacinamide dewdrops. I love these. I have so many of these little ones that I finished these up in travel and I'm just going to toss them because I have so many little ones to keep refilling. I can't keep like a million little ones hanging around. Same with this one. I love the BHA toner from Glow Recipe. I have so many little ones like this and big ones to refill it. This Tatcha sunscreen I'm tossing. Look at what happened to the packaging. Like it's literally just been sitting in a drawer, but it's like decaying. And what's so weird is when I went to go use this the other day, I sprayed it out on my hand and it was like the weirdest. It was like the pigment of the packaging like seeped into it. It was bizarre. The Bobbi Brown, this serum is amazing. I'll absolutely be repurchasing it. I love to repurchase that because I loved it. The Lawless Forget the Filler. This was a nice primer. I don't know that I'd repurchase it. It reminds me of a drugstore one I used a long time ago. It was nice while I had it, but it didn't wow me enough to be like, yeah, I need that in my life. A Rare Beauty one. This one's starting to turn. It started to smell like Play-Doh. So I think it's time for it to go. I liked it. There's just other illuminating products that I feel like I like more. There's nothing wrong with it, but I just have so many illuminating primers and things that I need to use. I've already repurchased this, the Giorgio Armani Luminous Skin. This one is in 6.5. I love this foundation. Again, already repurchased it. Have repurchased it many times throughout the year. And then I have 2 lip products. Item Beauty, this is no longer sold. This was Addison Rae's brand. And this was really nice. I loved this color in Come Through. And then I've already repurchased this. This is the Pat McGrath's Nude Venus. I love this color. Maybe there's a little bit left. It's like scraping. It's like all the way to the top to where it's like scraping against the metal. But I've already, oh God, there's a hair now. I've already repurchased this. I love it. I love the lip liner. I love the lip gloss. So, so good. So that is it for my empties. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Give this video a thumbs up and let me know what kind of videos you guys would like to see next. Let me know in the comments below and we'll see you later. Bye.